Welcome back to another episode of Chilling with Tank. Thanks for tuning in again today. We're going to do a little tour of the garden and all the plants in the yard. We're going to do a real close up on a lot of them. Not going to do too much talking. Just going to let nature and its sounds do the show for you. So here we go. Got a group of about 8 or 9 sunflower plants over here. Some of them getting really, really big. This one here is taller than I am. Should be producing sunflowers really soon. I can see the flower popping up on the top of them, getting ready to bloom. Couple of squashes growing. Jalapenos got quite a bit going on over here. Still got to get quite a bit bigger. Out to the front yard now. Got a little side garden out here as well. More onions, sunflowers. Yeah, they're about to bloom here in the next couple of days, looks like. A few of these out here are pretty loaded down. Those ones I just showed you were early grow bush. So are these over here. It grows really quick. Never grown it before, but it produces very well. Those should be done in a couple weeks, I'm guessing. More cucumbers over here. Like I said before, it's the first year I've grown cucumbers. Sure has a lot of flowers on it. Ain't seen much cucumbers yet, but still got high hopes. More watermelons over here. Get that nasty weed out of there. More tomatoes on this side. All right, on to the other side of the house for the last little small garden. Got the cantaloupes over here. Never grown those before either. See how they go. And then a few sets of onions. And that's gonna be about it. There's old Mr. Spotted Gar. Well, we just want to thank everybody for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to say your prayers. Keep your faith in the good man above. Peace.